I know why you are here, so let's just start. Launch the quest called Battlefield 6 Top Gun Mission. Let's get right into it. Start by launching the Battlefield 6 Top Gun Mission quest. This event is a faction war between NATO and PX. You'll be randomly assigned to one side, competing directly against other Discord members. Your goal is to capture and hold territories before time runs out. Whichever faction controls the most territory at the end of the 13-day timer wins. Before we fight, we need to find 10 photographs. If you don't want to do it and fight directly, just skip to the video's time frame that says fight. Alright, so we will be fast here. Make sure to keep up with me. Go to the right-hand side to find the key in the top drawer. Keep it with you. Find the first photo in the second drawer. Click the maroon book next to the table lamp to find the second photo. Pick the blue cup and rotate it around to find the third photo stuck underneath. Now face toward the center. Remember the key you found? Yeah, click that box and insert the key. You will find a screwdriver and the fourth photo. Collect both of them. Now under the table, you will find an air vent. Use that screwdriver to open that to find the fifth photo. Now on the right-hand side of the table, find the seventh photo. Are you still keeping up? Move the chair to find the seventh photo. Rotate the same chair to find the eighth photo stuck behind it. Now face toward the center again and look up. You'll find the ninth photo stuck to the ceiling. Now move to the left-hand side and lift the paper placed on the desk to find the 10th photo. And there we collected all the 10 photos. Now we will fight. There are two computers here. The one on the right shows you the leaderboard of the actual Discord members. And the one on the left is where you can launch the attacks or fight. You need to understand one thing, the blue boxes are PAX and the red boxes are NATO. Click one red box and launch the attack. This game looks like a Nokia game. So yeah, you'll be flying this aircraft and collecting points by shooting them while outmaneuvering and evading the guided missiles that try to hit you. Now to evade the missiles, you will simply let them come towards you, and at the last second, you'll quickly move to the corner. This will stop them chasing you. I don't know how to explain it properly, just watch the trick I am using here. First game is done. I think you need to play around 3 games to complete the quest. Don't worry, even if the missile hits you, it doesn't end the game. You will just lose the points. And we have completed the quest easily. Just by doing this alone, you will get your 700 orbs. Now, if you want to go even further and hit silver or gold tier, you need to play this same game around for around 20 times. But anyway, it's on you. Let me know in the comments if you're Team PX or Team NATO. And I want to thank to all my subscribers for subscribing and for supporting me.